job. So of course, I have to prepare my kids and then drop them to school. And then pagkatapos, I always, every morning guys, dahil nga balik na ako sa Ireland, I'm back to my reality. Every morning, I write down my goals. So, I just hope to give you an inspiration para matupad ninyo yung mga pangarap nyo. Kailangan nira-write nyo talaga yung goals and dreams ninyo. Kasi kapag wini-wish nyo lang siya guys, hindi siya binding. So, that's the secret of goal writing. So, you have to able to write your goals and dreams and to make it reality. Kasi wala kayong, hindi nyo naman magagawa yan kung hindi nakasulat, kung nasa isip nyo lang. Kailangan nyo have to put it in perspective. Kailangan talaga pinaplano ninyo or sinusulat ninyo. Diba? Kapag tinasal kayo, kailangan nyo ng marriage certificate. Kailangan naka-record. Kailangan may pirma kayong parehas. Ganon din yung pagka gusto nating maka-achieve ng goals, ng mga dreams natin. Kailangan talaga pinaplano natin. O diba pag nagtayo tayo ng bahay, kailangan nakaplano kung ano yung magiging resulta. Kung anong design, kung ilang foundation ang kailangan, kung ilan ang sukat ng lupa na kailangan. So today, gusto ko lang inspire kayo kung paano ko na-achieve yung mga goals and dreams ko on time or even late, I don't mind as long as I'm pushing through. So one of the secret na palagi kong ina-advise, so dahil nga may bago akong maliit na notebook na galing sa Rome, so binili ko ito as a souvenir para ilagay sa car ko. At dito ko ngayon nilalagay ang aking goals. So nire-write ko yung goals ko every week. So, dahil nga this is Monday, so I'm rewriting my goal. So, I want to share to you my main goal actually is always to buy a farm in Ireland and in the Philippines. And then, finish my clubhouse project and build the pool. And then, save 100 million again. Yes, again guys, kasi nakapag-save ako pero ginastos ko din. And then pagkatapos is, this is always in my goal, lose weight up to 70 kg. So I'm now 80, I think 80 something. So I started as 104 kg. So I'm going there, I'm in the right path. And then of course, my ultimate goal is actually to finish my degree. I still have 6 modules left para makuha yung degree ko. So I will go through with that maybe next year, not this year, but I'm still rewriting my goal every single week. Dati kasi every single day. Ngayon, every single week, once a week nira-write ko yung main goals ko. But I always keep the copy of my car. Actually, I have another copy in my wallet. And then, of course, dito na din nilalagay ko dahil nga napaka-compact at napaka-easy to carry ang aking Monday to-do list. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, baka naman sabihin niyo ay pinagloloko kayo sa mga list ko. So, actually, I love writing my list. This to keep me every day on track. So, on my Monday, prepare the kids for school. So, that's the main thing. When I woke up, inhale, exhale. So, I always do this in the morning kasi nga guys, I need full force to wake up my children kasi nga ang hirap nilang gisingin. So, I think every moms can relate. And I have to do a breathing exercise before I do that. So, I will be cool, I will be relaxed. And then, pagkatapos, of course, prepare their lunches for school, then drop Shiloh at school, and then my personal to-do list for today is yung print bank statement, sign the form for CJ school, and then post the letter. So, and then I have a swimming at 10 AM, and then try to make a content for your YouTube channel or your Facebook. So, nakalagay din. And then pagkatapos is collect James at 11 AM and then collect Shiloh at 2:30. So between 11 AM to 2:30 or 2 o'clock actually, I have a free time for myself to read my new book. So I have a book that I bought during the weekend. So I have 2 hours to read o kaya I have few 1 hour, pwede nating split yun, 1 hour para magawa ng content like now. So anyway, so I just want to share to you what my diary look like actually. So this is my masterpiece. Dito ko ginagawa ang aking mga pangarap. Kasi alam nyo guys, I want to give the importance of writing your goals and your dreams and even your daily activity. Kasi kapag ka nire-write nyo yung daily activity ninyo at may nakalimutan kayo and then nabasa ninyo dun sa list ninyo, you will be going on track. Hindi kasi pagka nasa isip nyo lang, madali nating makalimutan. And we often hindi na ginagawa pag nakalimutan natin. Diba? Syempre, paano mo po magagawa kung nakalimutan mo? So, I advise you guys, in this vlog, I advise you to start writing your goals and your dreams and day-to-day activity. Kasi alam nyo, pagka hindi nyo talaga ginawa yan, your life will go nowhere. And unless mayaman na talaga kayo, diba? But if you are going, or if you are trying to be rich, or if you are trying to survive this lifetime, yung medyo komportableng way, siguro mag-start kayo na mag-write ng mga goals and dreams niyo. Kasi once na naset nyo yan, once na clear yung head nyo kung saan nyo gustong pumunta at kung ano yung gusto nyo talagang makamit sa buhay, it will be your guide. So I always advise you guys na mag-start na kayo mag-write ng goals and dreams niyo because that's the key. Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko sa inyo, pero please, kung gusto nyo makamit ang mga pangarap nyo sa buhay, simulan niyo na mag-write ng list niyo. Kasi alam nyo, dyan ako nagsimula. Nasa Pilipinas pa lang ako. Sulat ako ng sulat ng mga pangarap ko. Syempre, noong una, ang mga sinusulat ko lang is, alam nyo, bahay para sa magulang ko. Yan, mga nakamit ko na yan. To travel this, meron akong travel bucket list. And madami akong sinulat na halos nagagawa ko na. So there's the only main goals that's left that I have to do. And of course, I'm just relaxing right now dahil nga alam niyo yun, I reach my financial freedom and I'm so happy that I'm in the level where I'm doing everything that I dream of. So I just want to share to you, baka merong nakikinig sa akin at hopefully makamit ninyo yung mga dreams and goals ninyo din, and hopefully that mag-start kayo, start to dream big, start to make an action, small action every time guys. Every day make sure that you are getting closer to your dreams. Kailangan every day may action kayong ginagawa. Huwag nyong intayin lang na dumating sa inyo. Kailangan hanapin ninyo talaga at gawa ninyo ng paraan na makamit yung mga pangarap ninyo. Again, ang pinakatandaan sa pag-angat sa buhay, kailangan wala kayong inaapakang ibang tao. Kailangan wala kayong sinasaktan. At higit sa lahat, always believe in God because God will lead you the right way, and love your family first before anybody else. And of course, first of all, love yourself kasi kailangan isalba mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka maging blessing para sa ibang tao. So, sending you all my love. Have a great morning guys. Mwah, mwah.